So ladders week was challenging all in all physically. I think one of the hardest parts is bringing down victims. So we started with dummies. They made rope dummies that we carried down that were around 200 pounds, I believe, and learning how to do the proper technique and carrying them down and then running them back up once we're done so we can get more practice. But we graduated up to actually bringing out some of the instructors, and that was physically demanding because you didn't want to drop them, of course. You don't want to hurt anybody here, and these guys and these men and women have been teaching us so well that you wanted to do it well for them and not hurt them in the process. Ladders really just set the tone for how we're going to be training and the amount of physicality and the amount of technique that we need to learn. And it's definitely, I love learning in the book, but getting your hands to touch things is just the best. The expectation has been rising since day one. Like we said, we start with a crawl, walk, run method. And the crawling, they teach us and they expect us to mess up a little bit, but as we move on throughout the week, they expect us to ramp it up and really get after it and not make the same little mistakes, but start learning how to do everything correctly. That has been the way that the class has gone as well. They started us off slow. We did a lot of work inside the classroom, but now we're getting to touch things. We're getting to work on ladders and doors of forcible entry and live fire, and we're ready to run.